the app is going to work. Okay, this is the vending machine. Yeah, show me the app, how it is. Okay, what are we ordering? Okay, what are we having, guys?
So what do you want?
You tell me what's nice. Yeah.
You have cola.
What are you having, Sushmita?
Nescafe.
That's good, huh?
I'm
Ah, okay, let's take that. Take next cafe. And me also. Take 3. Okay.
Gobble cake. This one. Britannia.
Gobbles. Okay. Let's order gobbles. Okay. What have you ordered? I'm not finding on the app also. Such a unique thing. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, one fell. Okay. Baby. Okay, second. Third. Wow, this is so cool. Okay.
We found.
Okay, and finally get it out. Wow, yeah. Where do you put the... Okay, you put it from here. Everyone's collected here. Nice, yeah, guys. I thought this was so interesting. Understanding the paper and knowing how to actually go about the syllabus preparation from a perspective of what will come in the exam and which syllabus is equally important. Okay, so go through the videos and I think it should be really helpful for everybody. Cheers. So guys, I think this will be very useful. Have a look into this. It is audit and insurance exam pattern and audit and assurance paper introduction. Right, so these are around 9 minutes videos, but again it will be super useful and you'll be able to get it.
Similar to ACCA, there are multiple qualifications. To name them, CPA, CIMA, CMA, US, and obviously ACCA. So up until now, ACCA did not really charge membership fee from its affiliates, right, who are becoming members. They didn't have to pay a membership fee to become a member. They could just finish the criteria that is required, that is 36 months of work experience, submit that, have your supervisor sign the objectives and sign off on your time, and you become a member. Now what's happened is ACCA is now going to charge us to become an ACCA member. So that is a slight definite increase in cost, but again the qualification value is intact and obviously increasing with time. So that's a slight new update on ACCA.
Student reached out to me earlier in the day and he said, sir, I'm from Patna and I'm looking for universities in Bangalore where I can do ACCA as an integrated qualification along with BCom. And I told him that there are various colleges that are currently in Bangalore providing that the integrated service, but the best one that I would recommend for you would be to go to PS University or Don Bosco. I've been part of both in terms of helping them with their ACCA program.
Is the ACCA membership fee worth its value? To be honest, it's starting to feel like no. However, I hope with the digital transformation that's coming in, this 40,000 rupees that we're paying on a yearly basis is bringing some value to us.
The product, there's yogurt shake here. I mean, only I'm not over yogurt yet. How do people eat it without the taste? This is the Project Ranger that I was referring to. It's Cornetto Styles ice cream, but what particularly caught my eye was this small person sitting here. Ice cream shake here. I mean, wow, I really want to try this.